Hello friends, welcome to our channel Plants, Crochet, Cooking and more. Today we will make a quick and super easy vegetarian dish. It is the dish which uses the bitter gourd and potatoes. Not many spices are required. Just cut equal quantities of bitter gourd, that is KARELA, and the potatoes. You heat oil in a karai or skillet, and when the oil is hot, you just need to add the pach foron. Now pach foron, as I have said earlier, is a mixture of 5 spices. When this pach foron will start to splutter, then you add in the KARELA, that is the bitter gourd, into it. Now let me tell you why you should have bitter gourd even if you don't like it, because it is bitter. Now, bitter gourd is rich in vitamins and minerals, and it is also a rich source of antioxidants and flavonoids. And besides, it also helps to lower the blood sugar level in people with diabetes. So, it is a very good vegetable even though it is bitter. So, try to incorporate this vegetable into your diet. Now, getting on to the recipe, we have started frying this bitter gourd. It has to be fried till it is a little crispy in texture. You can keep the flame to a medium high. Once you see that it has changed color and it has started to turn a little crispy, that is the time when you will start adding the potatoes into it. Potatoes are also cut very thin, as well as the bitter gourd was also cut into thin long strips. Now I'll start frying the potatoes as well. I'll stir fry this for some time and then I'm going to cover this. Lower the heat when you cover it so that it does not burn up, and then after some time you just remove the cover and then start to fry it for some time, and then now you can add the spices into it, the dry spices. First you add the turmeric powder, that is the haldi powder, and then you add the cumin powder, that is the jeera powder, and then you add the salt. I'm not adding the chili powder right now, I'll add that towards the end, because chili powder may start to burn up. I'll just give it one stir and then I'm going to add some water. Don't add too much of water, we don't want a jhol, it is a dry sabzi. Just little bit of water and then cover it. Now I will be making a slurry. It can be corn flour or atta or even rice flour, whatever you have at home. Just mix it with a little bit of cold water. It should be cold in this case. Little bit of water till it dissolves completely, and then put it onto this bitter gourd KARELA sabzi. Give it a good stir, increase the flame to a high, and now hold the skillet if need be, and then you start stirring it. In the end, you add the red chili powder and a dash of salt. I'll add that towards the end. Fry it very well. Since you have added the slurry, it may start to stick at the bottom, so be careful. Keep stirring it constantly till it dries up. And now you add that tiny pinch of sugar to enhance the taste of it. We don't want it to be a sweet dish, just a little bit of sugar. Then you stir it up so that everything mixes. And here we are ready with this sabzi. See how easy it is to make this vegetable sabzi. It is ready to be served. You can serve it with plain rice and dal. It goes very well with this. It doesn't take much time to cook this recipe. Give it a try once and let us know about it. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and hit the bell button for all notifications. Thank you so much for staying till the end. Bye bye.